Okay, work is piling up. Fast, like really, really fast. Fortunately, there's a place that makes it easy to connect with top freelancers ready to lend a hand. Upwork is where you'll find skilled contractors delivering great work and top value. They range from web and mobile developers to graphic designers, writers, customer support reps, and more. Here's how it works. First, find your freelancer by posting a job on Upwork. It's fast and simple. Tell us about your project and what skills you need. Also, add your budget and deadline. Right away, we'll send you a short list of people we think best match your needs. In hours, freelancers will begin bidding on your job too. Then narrow your choices by browsing freelancer profile pages to compare ratings, reviews, portfolios, and previous job experience. Next, you're ready to hire. Chat with finalists, pick your favorite, and click Hire. Before work begins, agree on scope, timelines, and price. You can hire by the hour or pay a fixed price for the entire job. Now you're ready to work on the project. Upwork gives you everything you need to chat, share files, and give feedback in real time. From your desktop or on the go. Once the job is finished, you pay through Upwork. Upwork payment protection ensures you only pay for work you authorize. Timesheets and invoices are submitted on Upwork, and you can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or bank account. Upwork collects a small fee and passes the rest on to your freelancer. That's it. Job well done. Your to-do list is shrinking fast, and you're ready to get more great work from this freelancer and a world of others on Upwork. Post your job now.
I should fuck her in the Benz.